Hi, I'm Jo and I'm from Five. I'm going to show you what a live query is and how it works in an application. On my screen is an auction application that was created in Five, and currently I'm logged in with my user credentials. I can use the form to make a bid for a house and view my position in an auction. In another browser, I am logged in with Kylie's credentials. Kylie has access to the same auction position report, and we can see that she's in first place for the Roadie Road home while I'm in second. I'm going to make a bid for this house again. I can see that the top bid is $511,000, so I'm going to do $512,000. And now if we keep an eye on the first record for each of the auction position reports, we will see as soon as I submit my bid that they will instantly update. I am now in first position with $512,000 and Kylie is in second position. This is a live query. It does not need to be refreshed to see the results. So how do we do this inside of Five? When we're back in Five, we need to be on our queries view. And once we have our query established inside of Five, that will return our results. We simply just have to click this live switch and save our form.